Hello friends, today we are starting next article from this chapter, that is area of similar triangle. So in this case we are going to prove an important formula to find out ratio of area of two similar triangle. So observe the statement, the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. So it is given to us that two triangles are similar and we have to prove that the ratio of area of these two similar triangle. So here we have considered two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. And we know that if two triangles are similar, so it is given to us that these two triangles are similar. Then how many pair of corresponding sides are there? Three pair of corresponding sides are there. So if a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then first pair of corresponding side is AB and PQ, second is BC and QR, and third is AC and PR. And what we have to prove here? We have to prove that ratio of area of these two similar triangle is equal to square of ratio of corresponding side. So this is first pair of corresponding side, ratio of pair of corresponding side. This is the ratio of second pair of corresponding side, and this is the ratio of third pair of corresponding side. And we have to prove that ratio of area of these two similar triangle is equal to square of ratio of its corresponding side. So well, now hope the given condition is clear to you, that two triangles are similar to each other, and we are going to prove that the ratio of area is equal to square of ratio of corresponding side. So since our result is related with what? Area of a triangle. So what is the formula to find out area of triangle? Half base into height. So here we will require what? Height also. That's why in the construction we have shown here AD will be the height of this triangle ABC and PM is the height of triangle PQR. Well, now first we are using given condition, and using given condition later on we will try to prove this statement. So what is given condition? That given two triangles are similar. So let us try to prove it. It is given to us that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is given condition. And we know that if two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in proportion. Means ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Means AB upon PQ will be equals to BC upon QR will be equals to AC upon PR. AC upon PR. And even if two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are also equal. So here we can say that angle B is equal to angle Q. So angle B is equals to angle Q. Let us denote this by equation number first and this by equation number second, and give the reason that these are the corresponding parts of similar triangle. Okay, now we are trying to show that these two triangles are similar, triangle ADB and PMQ. We are trying to show that these two triangles are similar, so consider these two triangles. In triangle ADB and triangle PMQ, in these two triangles, we can say that angle ADB is equals to angle PMQ. Observe these two angles, angle ADB and angle PMQ, whether these two angles are of 90 degree. So here each of 90 degree. Give the reason that these two angles are of measure 90 degree. And again from equation number 2 we can say that angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q from equation number 2. Now here we have shown that two angles of first triangle are equal to two angles of second triangle. So it implies that triangle ADB is similar to triangle PMQ by AA criterion. Now once these two triangles are similar, then according to definition of similarity of two triangles, sides are in what? Proportion. So here we can say that therefore AB upon PQ will be equals to. So AB upon PQ will be equals to AD upon PM is equals to AD upon PM. Let us denote it say by next equation, equation number 3, and give here reason that corresponding sides of similar triangle. Okay. Now we will focus on our required result. So let us try to find out ratio of area of these two similar triangle. So now we are finding ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR is equals to, and what is the formula to find out area of triangle? Is equal to half into base into height, half into base into height. For this triangle ABC, if I am considering BC as base, then height will be AD. So here if we are considering BC as base, then AD will be height. In the same way, in the next triangle QR, if we are considering QR as base, then its corresponding height is PM. So here this half and half will get cancelled. So which is equals to, now observe here, this BC upon QR, BC upon QR, can I replace it by AB upon PQ? So AB upon PQ. So this BC upon QR we are replacing by AB upon PQ from which equation? First. And AD upon PM, AD upon PM can be replaced by what? AB upon PQ from which equation? 3. So it can be replaced by AB upon PQ. So these values we are substituting from equation first and third. Okay. So now which is equals to, now AB upon PQ into AB upon PQ will be equals to AB upon PQ whole bracket square. So in this way we have shown that ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to square of ratio of corresponding side. But here we have got what result? It is equal to ratio of corresponding side pair. It is one pair of corresponding side. So which is equal to, but if you observe equation number first, this AB upon PQ can also be replaced by what? BC upon QR. So this AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR also. Keep this square as it is. Again BC upon QR is also equal to AC upon what? PR. So this result we are getting from equation number first. Keep this square as it is from equation number first. Keep this left hand side as it is, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. In this way what we have shown here, ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to square of ratio of corresponding side. But AB upon PQ is also equals to what? BC upon QR. So we are able to say that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Keep square as it is. And BC upon QR is equal to what? AC upon PR. All these results we are getting from equation number first. In this way, what we have proved here, ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to square of ratio of corresponding side. And that is the result which we have to prove here. So hence, we have completed the proof of this theorem.